Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today I will be sharing all about fall colors in Canada. It's going to be very colorful video. Keep watching till the end. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do sure like, share and subscribe to my channel Lip Tasty Be Happy. This is our first fall experience in Canada. Here in Canada, fall season is the most awaited season because it is very colorful season, you can say. Everywhere you can see very vibrant, brilliant colored trees everywhere, even near your house, far away or anywhere you go for a long drive, you will be seeing whole lot of colors. Last weekend was the peak of fall colors in Ontario, Canada. So we were just going on a long drive to see whole lot of fall colors. What you're seeing now is Mississauga downtown skyline. Every city will have its downtown. That's how Mississauga is also one of another important city just like Toronto in Ontario. From highway itself you can have a good view of Mississauga downtown, and that's what I have captured just to share with all of you. In this video I will be sharing all about fall colors, how it changes colors and what are the reasons. Maple trees are innumerable in Canada. They are very famous for their bright and vibrant, brilliant colors in fall season. That is why on east coast of Canada you can see hardwood forest with whole lot of brilliant red, orange and yellow trees. You can see it is very beautiful. You can see this is like a fairy tale land. You can see when you are driving. Canada has whole lot of maple trees variety which will be giving different colors, whereas on west coast you can see with large maple tree leaves which will be turning into brilliant golden yellow color, whereas in east coast you can see orange, yellow and bright red colors will be there. In single tree you can see all combination of these colors, that is depending on the sunlight hits early in the morning to those trees when they are nice and cold from night. The perfect recipe for all the colors to turn is nice chill weather at night and early morning. The sunshine hitting the trees will turn nice vibrant colors. Here now you can see we have walked really a long way inside the trail. The trees inside the leaves all are green in color, but on top they all are nice orange and red color. That is because the sunlight hits on top and it has not yet reached inside. We thought we will go to some park, but we happened to come on trail. In between these trails there will be like pockets of windows where you can see the overlooking mountain on the other side. Down the road you can see some cars parked. That is where our car is. So far we have walked a very long way inside the trail. As we are new to Canada, here what you have to do is you have to book the parks for viewing the fall colors, but we didn't knew when we went to parks they were already full and booked. You have to book previous week itself. So we chose to go on mountain trails, and even trekking is a good option. Here in Hockley Valley and Caledon region you can see nice good colors. After that lunchtime is that weekend we went was the National Shawarma Day, and good offers in this location which is very close by to our house. So we had our lunch over there. Here the shawarma is chicken shawarma or mutton or beef or whatever you can choose, but you will have to choose over what, like our sticks or rocks or some salad. Like that, sticks means it is French fries over shawarma, that is they will be layering shawarma over French fries and lot of sauces. And rocks means rice over rice, they will be giving you shawarma and whole lot of sauce of your choice. And salads, usually we will choose fattoush salad. What is fattoush? I will show you in a little while. As always, I choose to have low carb in my plate, so we chose to take anything without rice, roti or naan. So fattoush salad is all-time favorite for me and my husband always. Like one of my kids chose over the sticks, that is shawarma, chicken shawarma over the stick, and another one he chose falafel over rocks. Rocks means rice. Okay, now let's come back to fall colors. Fall colors are always going to stay only for hardly 1 week together. When the tree starts to change itself, you should approximately in a week they are going to be on their peak, and at that time itself you should go for hunting in colors. This what I'm showing is the fattoush. Fattoush is a kind of chips, fried chips. On your request, they will add more also to give a little crunchy texture to the salad. Here you can customize your salad also, whether you like peppers or green bell peppers, that is capsicum and all. If you don't like, you can avoid, and you can choose whatever you want in your salad. For all those who want to follow low carb recipes, this place is a very ultimate place, I would say. That is Mediterranean restaurants, where they will provide you whole lot of salad with some kind of protein, either vegetarian or non-vegetarian. Both are available always. Next day we went to another park which was open for free for everybody to go. We don't need any registration over there, but the colors were very less. And here in Canada, you can see there are whole lot of lakes also. More lakes area is available in this country than any other place in the world, I would say. Or this is the statistics also. You can see all lakes will be surrounded by whole lot of trees, and those trees are mostly maple trees which will turn into nice vibrant color in this fall season. This is Earl Rowe Park, where we ended up seeing some fall colors next day. See the leaf. This is the maple leaf shape. It's a very popular leaf you can see in Canadian flag also. It is the national symbol which you will be seeing on Canadian flag. So how important the maple tree is in Canada, you can see it in the flag itself. On the way back home, we saw very beautiful colors with brilliant, vibrant colors, combination of yellow, orange, red, and it was a cemetery. Never either in US or in Canada we have entered any cemetery, but every time we cross, we will be thinking that we should go and see. It will be every time you see, either it is fall or any other season, it will be beautiful. This time it was extraordinarily beautiful. The first time we visited inside the cemetery, it was well planned. You can take a turn everywhere, just round about, and you can see vibrant colors. It was so divine to look over there. Thought of sharing the same with all of you. Just keep watching. As we entered, we just took few minutes giving a live gesture of prayer to all those souls resting in peace. In this whole town, all trees were mostly orange in color. From everywhere you see, the most brightest color it was popping up was orange, and that city was Orangeville as well. Later on only, when we were exiting the town, we saw it was Orangeville. Now all the colors you're seeing is just next to my house, just 1 to 2 miles away. It is my kids' school. It's full of colors. The whole boundary of school is very beautiful with lot of colors. In and around near our house also, all different colored trees. When winter is at peak, we cannot go for walking. It will be biting cold, but the weather now is very nice, pleasant weather. So we just go for a walk in the evening, and it is really very beautiful to walk also. Once all the trees hit the peak colors, after that only 1 week they will be staying. You will face that it is windy, the weather is rainy. All these situations will make all the leaves fall. That's it. The fall will come to an end. The last nice yellow colors of leaves are from my kids' school, which I captured when I was going to drop my kids at school. You can see it is very, very beautiful with the sunlight. Hope you all enjoyed this fall colors and felt the same happiness like how we felt while seeing it. Hope you all like the video. If you like my videos, do like, share, subscribe to my channel, Live Tasty, Be Happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or another awesome vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.